How does making noise help prevent black bear encounters? Have you ever wondered how making noise can keep you safe from black bears while hiking? It's a great question, and understanding this can really enhance your outdoor experience. When you are in areas where black bears roam, making noise is one of the best ways to avoid surprising them. Surprising a bear is often the main reason for negative encounters. Black bears typically want to avoid humans. They are naturally cautious creatures. However, they have an excellent sense of hearing. If they hear you coming, they are likely to move away before you get too close. This is why making noise is so important. It acts as an audible warning that alerts bears to your presence. Imagine hiking around a blind corner or through thick brush. If you suddenly appear without making any sound, you could startle a bear. This is especially true near noisy streams where your presence might not be obvious. By talking, singing, or clapping your hands, you are announcing your arrival. This gives bears the chance to leave the area before you get too close. When hiking alone or in small groups, making noise becomes even more essential. If the wind is blowing in the wrong direction, a bear may not catch your scent. This makes sound your best friend in alerting them to your presence. There are several practical ways to make noise while hiking. You can speak or sing out loud at regular intervals. Clapping your hands or stomping your feet can also help. Some hikers use bear bells, but these may not be loud enough to be effective at a distance. Shouting phrases like, "Hey, bear," is another clear way to signal your presence. While making noise is important, you should also stay alert to your surroundings. This way, you can still hear any wildlife or environmental sounds. If you are hiking in a group, coordinating your noisemaking can ensure that everyone is noticed by any bears nearby. Making noise is a simple yet effective strategy for preventing black bear encounters. It reduces the risk of surprising a bear, which is often the trigger for defensive behavior. By allowing bears to detect humans early, you can help keep both yourself and the bears safe while enjoying your hike.